Now here is how you can activate the sensor light on the iPhone. Let's get started. If you are new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important in the future. Right, so what you are most likely referring to is using the built-in sensors of the phone to adjust the light in terms of the brightness of the phone, right? So the lightness of the screen. And this can be set up inside of the settings app, accessibility, right? So tap on that and go to the display and text size. At the bottom of this section, we can see the automatic brightness. So it's called auto brightness. But when you turn it on, it will use the sensors of the phone to determine if you are in a light or dark environment, and it will adjust your screen brightness based on the conditions that you happen to be in. So it's very useful. It might save you some battery, right, by dialing down the brightness when you don't need it, right? So it might be a good feature. Keep in mind that you can still control the brightness in the control center, but it might adjust it later, right? If you move to a different environment. So let me know if you managed to make it work. If you had something else in mind, then let me know about that below in the comments. It's possible I'll make an updated video about it as well. I have plenty of tutorials coming up, so stay tuned as well by subscribing so you never miss anything important, and I'll see you later.